The marks obtained by 10 students of class 10 in mathematics in a certain examination are 25, 30, 21, 55, 47, 10, 15, 17, 45, and 35. Find the arithmetic mean. Now, arithmetic mean is nothing but average. So, arithmetic mean is equal to the complete total of all these marks divided by the number of students, that is 10. So it's a very straightforward question. So we have to add all these things. So 25 plus 30 plus 21 plus 55 plus 47 plus 10 plus 15 plus 17 plus 45 plus 35. So we have all these 10 values. We have added them divided by the number of students, that is 10. Now the addition comes out to be 300 divided by 10. We get the answer as arithmetic mean is equal to 30. So option B will be our answer. Another way of doing this question is by assuming a average. Okay. So let's assume the arithmetic mean or average as 25. Now what we have to do is subtract 25 from all these individual values. Now you can assume any number here. I have randomly picked up 25. So similarly, you can pick up a random number and you have to subtract that random number from all these things, add the difference and divide it by 10. Okay. So 25 minus 25, we have 0. 30 minus 25, we have 5. 21 minus 25, we have minus 4. Okay. So we'll write down minus 4. 55 minus 25, we have plus 30. 47 minus 25, we have plus 22. 10 minus 25, we have minus 15. 15 minus 25, we have minus 10. 17 minus 25, we have minus 8. 45 minus 25, we have plus 20. 35 minus 25, we have plus 10. Okay. So let's add all these things. So see here, minus 10 plus 10, we can cancel it out. Okay. Now we have here plus 5 minus 4 plus 30 plus 22 minus 15 minus 8 plus 20. Okay. So minus 5 minus 4 is plus 1, plus 1 plus 30 is plus 31. 31 plus 22, that is 53. Minus 15, we have 38. Minus 8, we have 30. Plus 20, we have 50. Okay. So we have the answer as 25 plus 50 upon 10. That is 25 plus 5, that is 30. So answer remains the same in both the cases. It is up to you which method to choose.